I'm Ejasu from Unless. This week, we will check out how you can tinker your website for referred visitors to ensure them that they've come to the right place. Let's start with when you might need this. Do you work with blogs, podcasters, and similar affiliates to attract new customers to your brand's website? Are specific partners a source of leads for your company? Then, this recipe is for you. Oftentimes, partners will send traffic using a special link with a personal UTM parameter attached. You can use this to build your audiences. Alternatively, you can use the page referrer attribute, which means you don't even need UTM parameters to identify the source. Then, it's time to see what changes can be made to your website. Landing pages are the place to start. Use the headline on your landing page to welcome referred visitors. For example, if you work with bloggers or YouTubers to drive traffic to your hardware brand's website, mention their name on the headline. Find out why Hardware Unboxed calls our keyboards the best in the industry. Browse models now. You can even replace images on your landing pages with the logos of each affiliate or the photo of the influencer referring the traffic. Special offer pop-ups are another option. Are you running a discount campaign with your affiliates? You can use Unless components to display a personalized pop-up to referral traffic. These pop-ups can vary per referral source and could look like the following. Heard about us on Hardware Unboxed? Get 5% off your purchase today. Heard about us on Pulse Hardware? Get 5% off your purchase today. Creative Boom readers get 15% off on our starter plan. Sign up today. Swissmiss readers get 15% off on our starter plan. Sign up today. You can also leverage personalization to push more relevant content after the first engagement. This will keep referred visitors engaged throughout their journey. For example, you can modify bits of text on your key pages to emphasize why a given influencer recommends your product. You can also use components for this purpose. Let's wrap this up with an example. Design R offers a SaaS product for designers. They work with many of the industry's leading blogs to drive referral traffic to their site. Let's see how their generic homepage can be adjusted to complement this project. In the first example, we see how they've adjusted their page to appeal to readers of Sarah Does UX. The headline and subhead mention Sarah, as well as a discount that is available to her readers. The image has also been swapped with a photo of Sarah for social proof. Similar changes have been applied in example 2, targeted at readers of Dave and Jack's blog. In this case, Design R has also made sure to mention the 5-star review Dave and Jack had given their product, which is a nice touch. These are optimized landing page experiences based on the referral source. But the rest of the website has also been optimized in order to recommend relevant content to support the buyer's journey. That's it for this week's recipe. Until next time.